What's the meaning of Belarus? Belarus. Belarus.
Belarus. Belarus. Belarus is a landlocked country located in Eastern Europe, bordered by Russia to the east and northeast, Ukraine to the south, Poland to the west, and Lithuania and Latvia to the northwest. The name Belarus is derived from the term White Russ, which refers to the Slavic tribes that inhabited the area in the early Middle Ages. In the 16th century, the region was absorbed into the Polish-Lithuanian Commonwealth and became known as the Grand Duchy of Lithuania. Belarus gained independence in 1991 following the collapse of the Soviet Union. Today, it is a presidential republic with a population of around 9.5 million people.